I was working on this particular footer section for this particular website, and after adding the elements kit, what's it called, social icon via Elementor, the Hoover actually worked. The Hoover settings works, but the icons are still grayed out, which will not show on this particular background. This works fine on white background for the footer, but when you have a deep color for the footer, this is not going to work. So this is my Elementor section where I've been working on this this footer section actually. Okay, no, this is not my footer. I need to find my footer. Okay, this is where I was working on my footer here, so I can close this. So now, as you can see here, I'll click on this social icon, then come to style. Then under my style, I want to set color for my icon. You can see the primary and secondary color has been set to white, which is 6 Fs, F, 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 like that. So, but it's still not showing in white. I don't know. Actually, the Hoover color actually works. That is when I hover on this, I set the background color and set a particular icon color. That works fine for me. That is for the icon Hoover. These two properties works well. But for the icon, I don't seem to get that white background that I need. And as you can see on the front end here, it's still grayed out. So how I go about fixing that is this. I actually go to my website customize. I click on customize, and from customize, I look for the advanced additional CSS section. Then I added this line of code to my CSS section there. So I added this line. That is if you're using elements kit social icon. So I force this to fill the background of my icon with white. So I click on publish. Then after I publish, I try to view from this page to see if that has changed. Okay, you can see from here now I'm having it in white. So now let's go back to the about section and actually refresh and see if the footer is having the white color for the icon. All right, as you can see now, I have my white color, which makes it visible on this deep background for my footer section. So if you are experiencing this kind of issue, in fact, I've run into this issue several times that my social icons, I can't get to customize them and there's nothing I could do about it. So I just have to add a touch of little CSS to actually make that work for me. So if you find this very helpful, please hit the like button. And if you're yet to subscribe, please smash the subscribe button, as I'll be giving you more updates on how to help you revamp your website design skill. All right, thank you and do have a wonderful time. See you in another episode of my video.